Assalamualaikum. Myself Munib Ahmad Khan, engineering student of ISL Engineering College, final year ECE department. Today I am representing my project presentation on design and implementation of AS system with advancement of sodium indicator. Introduction. In worldwide, CSD means cardiovascular disease has become a leading cause of death, so that the detection or identification of CSD in earlier stage of patient become most challenging problem. IoT, Internets of Things, play a vital role in modern medical field. The ASH is a smart medical based IoT Internet of Things healthcare system. The goal of this project is to design an ASH advanced smart healthcare system which comprises of electrocardiogram, ECG, pulse rate, body temperature, etc. by resorts of IoT with supports of hardware and software. In this project, the main work is employment of ECG, feature extractions of ECG and technologies used in health monitoring system. Introduction to ECG. An electrocardiogram. ECG is a test which measures the electrical activity of your heart, and ECG records the heart rhythms and activities on a moving strip of paper or a line on a screen. Your doctor can read and interpret the peaks and dips on paper or screen to see if there is any abnormal or unusual activity. Some of things can ECG reading can detect are cholesterol, blood heart cholesterol, blood heart blood supply, cardiac abnormality including cardiac rhythms disturbance, etc. as shown in diagram. Introduction to sodium in a human body. Sodium is one of the body electrodes, which are minerals that the body needs in relatively large amounts. Electrodes carry an electric charge when dissolved in body fluids such as blood. Most of the body's sodium is located in blood, and in the fluid around cells. Sodium helps the body keep fluid in a normal balance. See about body water. Sodium play a key role in normal nerves and muscles function. Too low hyponatremia to high hypernatremia. Sodium effects on heart rate as shown in the table. Introduction of pulse, heart rate and body temperature. Heart rate is the speed of heartbeat measured by the number of concentration beats of the heart per minute (BPM). The heart rate can vary according to the body physically needs, including the need to absorb oxygen and extract carbon dioxide, as shown in the table. Normal human body temperature is the typical temperature range found in humans. The normal human body temperature range is typically stated as 36.5 to 37.5 degrees centigrade or 97.7 to 99.5 degree Fahrenheit. What is IoT? The Internet of Things or IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, object, animal or people that are provided with unique identifiers UIDs and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction as shown in diagram. Block diagram of a system. The structure consists of 4 panels as shown below. First panel consists of sensor which senses the condition of patient health. Second panel consists of calculating or converting modules such as Arduino Nano ESP32. It uses internet connection to communicate with cloud database. Third panel consists of cloud database that stores the data and display to the accessible application. Final panel is application module panel which takes the data from the cloud and display on it. Hardware component of AS system: Node MCU ESP32, Arduino Nano, AD8232, heart rate sensor, ADXL335, DS18, P20, DHT11, 128x64 OLED, 16x2 LCD, I2C adapter module, buzzer, LED. Software platforms and IoT cloud platform. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment (IDE) is a cross-platform application for Windows, macOS, Linux that is written in functions from C and C++. It is used to write and upload programs to Arduino compatible boards, but also with the help of third-party codes or other vendors' development boards. UBOIDOTS is an Internet of Things (IoT) data analytic and visualization company which turns sensor data into information that matters for business decisions, machine-to-machine interaction, educational research, and increased economization of global resources. UBOIDOTS exists as an easy and affordable means to integrate the power of the IoT into your business or research working of the system. After the connection as per the circuit and upload of source code to the respective microcontroller, the kit of as system is switched on by supplying power by USB or through main supply to the kit. The kit start working as soon as the power is given. The node MCU start connecting to given respective Wi-Fi network. As soon as Wi-Fi is connected, it will connect to the cloud UBOIDOTS database and the sensor start working. The data of the sensor are collected and perform the respective operation on it and sent to the cloud database. The output of sensor is available on the dashboard of given UBOIDOTS account. The same output will be available on the LCD OLED which are connected to the kit. The result of the system. The result of the proposed system on a serial monitor as shown at the left side. The result of the proposed system on UBOIDOTS IoT cloud as shown in the pulse rate. The result of the proposed system on UBOIDOTS IoT cloud as shown where other temperatures like body temperature, blood pressure, body temperature, etc. The result of message, SMS or email alert from as system with the help of IoT cloud. Conclusion. This project work is come up with design and implementation of advanced smart healthcare system in which the multiple modules synchronize with each other in the present modern medical field. By use of this device, the rate of death due to heart attack, other cardiovascular disease or the death causes due to lack of treatment in times can be reduced. Future scope. In this project, we have designed an implementation that multiple healthcare devices in a single system with the advanced technology. Regarding the future scope, the system can be implemented by the advanced filter to reduce the noise and hardware software to increase the security level of wireless transmission and practicability. The intern version software can be used to increase the speed of operation. The new medical technology can also be added to this system, hence the quality cost size will vary. Paper publication. Design and implementation of as system, a review model is accepted for publication by IEEE 8 International Conference on Reliability in Infocom Technology and Optimization ICRI TOS 2020 and it is under publication. Design and implementation of smooth system, a review model is under publication. Thank you.